Hello, welcome to Ground Zero Landscaping and Construction. I'm Chad Bennett and I will be leading you through the reviews tutorial. So by now you've probably gotten an email that has a bunch of review links at the bottom of it. You're just going to click on those links and it should take you right to the review landing page. And I can't express the importance of the reviews that you leave for us online. It's detrimental to our business. That's probably one of the things that you researched and one of the reasons that you went with us. And our next clients will be depending on those reviews and making decision making. I just can't express to you how important it is. So I know it's going to take a little bit of your time to go to each one of the sites and leave the reviews. But if you could please do that and show me that you appreciate the work that we did, which I know you did, and we appreciate your business, this will really help us out. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go just to the, Google landing page. You could type it here in the search bar, Ground Zero Landscape and Construction. Obviously, mine's already up. Over on the right-hand side of the page, you might have a little bit of a different view, but you can see the yellow circle. That's my cursor moving around. And you scroll down here, you will see an area. And yours might be set up a little bit different, but let's say you had to leave right now. You can hit send right here, and this will send this to your phone so you can leave a review while you're on the go or at your convenience. But you're going to go right in this area here. Mine says edit your review because when I first made this page, I left a review just to see how it all worked, and I didn't write nothing. I just left 5 stars. So now what I would do is I would just go in, you're going to go in here and just put, Chad is a great guy, right? All right, I'm being funny with that one. But you're going to leave your review, whatever you want to write, and then you're going to take the your left index, or it depends on how you're using your mouse, but your index finger more likely on the left button of the mouse. Just hold it in, back drag it, scroll back with it, right click it, go down and do copy, click copy. And now what you did is you've copied that review. So when we're asking you to leave all the reviews, I don't expect you to write a different review for every single landing form because there's a lot of them. You can leave the same one because you're the same person. Now, when some of you called and said, I don't understand how to put a picture up. So right here in this little photo where it says the little plus by the camera, you're going to click on that. So you can click photos from your phone, and depending on if you have it synced to your computer, by the way, I am working from a Windows 10 HP desktop, so most of you were probably using this. Some of you will be using a Mac, and if you're using a Mac, you probably know how to do this a little more efficiently. But your photos, or you can go upload photos. So you would just select photo from your computer. Like so, here's some of my pictures from a job that we finished. So you can pick whatever. So you pick a photo, you click open. The photo's going to go right here, and then you can do it again, and you can do it again. Or I could have highlighted a bunch of them and had them all upload at once. So you could hit upload more. So, and then that's going to, now you could add a caption. You could be like, Ground Zero crew laying out plants, or whatever you want to write. But remember how we copied and pasted. So right here, I'm going to put my cursor here. I'm going to hit my middle finger, which would be the right mouse button. Scroll down to paste. So you're going to go down here, paste it. And there it is. Chad is a great guy. So, again, I'm not going to put that here, right? But whatever it is you want to write, if you write a nice paragraph or something, highlight it all, copy it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click right here to post. Now, I'm not going to post this because I'm not going to do that on my own thing. When you're done with that one, now this is, remember, we're getting here from just off a Google landing page, which is right up here in the search bar. The email that you have received by now that you're probably watching this video from, above this video, there's going to be some blue hyperlinks. The blue writing, those are all hyperlinks. So when you click those, that should take you directly to the review page. And I'm going to show you the difference. So if you go to Home Advisor, some of these are going to require a little more time. Some of them are going to be like just you write your review and that's it. Some of them want to be right here where it says verified reviews, right? So they want to know your address, and they're going to ask some information. They're not going to share your information, but it's okay to for them to do that if you're okay with it. But rest assured, these are all qualified companies. So you scroll down on this one to reviews, see? So you got to go down here. You have to actually find it and then you click write a review. How do I know the business? I hired them. And again, you go right here, click the left button, put your cursor in there, click the right button, and paste. So you put Chad's a great guy, right? That is going to, and then see, this one's going to ask you a little bit more, and then you click next. It's going to take you a little further. It's going to ask your address, when we did the job. Not all of them are like that, but you see up here, write a review. So those hyperlinks are going to be much easier, and that's why we made this email for you to do the reviews, because some of you will call and say, oh, you know, I could do it on this one, but for some reason I couldn't do it on that one, or I could do it on this one, couldn't do it on that one. So that's the whole point of this video, and I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but I do just want to kind of give you the gist on like some different ones, right? If you click on Thumbtack from the first page of Google results, you're going to end up here at our page, right? So again, if you got to go somewhere, oh shoot, I can't leave the review right now, you could share that, text it to you, whatever. But see down here, so this has some of our projects in there. Now you get to reviews, and I really don't remember how to even leave a review on this one. But see, you kind of got to like go through this one, right? And you got to figure out like how or where you leave the review. So on this email where you're watching this video from, again, more than likely, if you go up to that blue hyperlink where it says Thumbtack and you click on that, that should take you right to the page where you just start writing the review. And that's how that should work. So I'll do a couple more and then I will let you go. So Yelp, Bellegarde, okay, Facebook. A couple people have called and asked about Facebook. Everybody has Facebook, and it's funny, this is the one that I really never ever pushed, that I've had the longest. I never really thought it was that important, but now I'm starting to see how important it really is. So let's click on that one. Now I'm going to have a different view again because I am the well, let's see, right here. Okay, so this is, so I'm at, depending on how we are, I might be looking at it from an owner's view, so it's going to be a little different. But right over here on the left, you see reviews right here where the yellow cursor is. You're going to click on that and go down. Now, this is going to be the reviews that people have left. All right, let's log in. All right. Damn. Alright, my phone, so I'll have to edit this video. So we'll just take Facebook out. Damn, my phone's downstairs. Facebook should be the easiest one. Let's do. I gotta make it look like I just picked up. Alright, so we're going to try MapQuest. MapQuest, believe it or not, I actually get leads from this. When I made this landing page, I'm like, why am I making a MapQuest review? I have gotten 2 leads since I've made this, and I'm like, yeah, how'd you find us? And people are like, oh, on MapQuest. So, you go down here, so this one says 3 reviews. Now, okay, so MapQuest may tie in with Yelp. Yeah, see, I think it does. Yelp, this is huge. This is like the up and coming like yellow pages. So Google #1, YouTube, but you can't really leave a YouTube review, but there will be a video, tutorial video on what to do on YouTube, but you're just going to want to like our stuff on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and follow us. And there's going to be great tips, great maintenance service for your valves, when you should clean them, when you should fertilize. There's going to be all kinds of stuff on there that I know a lot of you will really appreciate and enjoy. And I've spent a lot of time behind the scenes doing all this stuff. So, so on Yelp, you're going to click right here, write a review, and boom, you're going to right click and paste. Chad is a great guy. So that's pretty much all you've got to do. And we've tried to set this up for you guys so that it works really easy. You're not spending a lot of time and getting lost. So I guess the way MapQuest works is what I'm assuming is they use the reviews from Yelp. So we'll probably edit this email after this and get rid of MapQuest. Let's see if there's one more that might be a little challenging. I'll show you one that's going to be, I think, easy. So, Porch, right? So it's a 4.84 rating out of 145 online reviews. But look how easy this one is. So this one, you're just going to go right here. You're going to click right here where the yellow is, write a review. And then you can log into Yelp. They just want to verify that it's a real email. So, and I'm not going to be able to continue with Facebook because I'm signing out of my Facebook right now. So, I'm going to have to edit this video. So I appreciate your guys' time. Again, these reviews are detrimental to our business. We appreciate it, and we appreciate your business. If you could please take 20 minutes out of your day and do these, or even knock them out, you know, one every evening or whenever you can. The sooner you guys can do it, the better it is for us. And we really appreciate it. So everybody have a Merry Christmas, a happy and safe New Year. And we will see you hopefully next year sometime.